He's calling again.
He must really love you.
It's gonna be something dumb, I know it is.
Hi, I'm Sonna, and this is my client Nami. And this is KMS Beyond Hair. On Nami's hair today, we're going to create a new look with lots of layers and a really cool fringe, and we'll also be keeping all of her length. You've been part of Girls Night how many years now?
I think 20, honestly. I mean,
I can't remember when people joined.
Right? I know that you guys are the OGs of Girls Night, and...
Yeah, 20, 25 years now?
Oh, at least.
No, I think it's 25.
Was it 25? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, don't age me.
You haven't aged at all, though. But when we look at the pictures, you're so, I mean, I feel like you're a chameleon. Everyone, you have a new
hair
different
color,
hair color, different cut, whatever. Sometimes I think we feel like, oh, I'm not in a good mood, or I'm cranky, or I don't feel like it. But then once you show up, everybody takes everybody where they are and how they are, and it's okay if you're the one that ends up crying that time, because you'll be, might be the ones, uplifting someone the next time. When we get together, it's just magical.
Both of your boys are so incredible. I don't think I ever really got the full story from you about Toby.
Oh yeah, with the
track coach.
Oh yes. So he and his cross-country team, they were running a track practice, and one of their coaches, he was waiting for them at the bottom of a run that they were doing, and Toby said all of a sudden he looked over there and he was face down. He had fallen and on his face, and so his face was all bloody, and they rolled him over and he wasn't breathing. And so
that should have been so
terrifying. So luckily, a couple of the boys are CPR certified, and so Toby and some of his teammates kind of went into action, and they said, hey, you're the only one who knows how to do this. If we don't do it now, you have to. And I think everybody needs that little push and that little...
He took charge.
Yeah, and I think it still was a team effort, but yeah, he definitely kind of, I think, got the ball rolling.
Thank goodness those boys were there.
Oh, I know, and they acted and they knew exactly what to do. And then the emergency people came and they said, actually, there was only a 6% chance that he would have survived. So it was really incredible that he pulled through, and I was like, oh my gosh, is my work done?
Your boys are both just incredible. Now, you teach 7th and 8th grade.
Yes. I have a front row seat to so many trends. So right now, what is trending in the middle schools? Socks and sandals.
Oh,
socks and birds, socks and Crocs. They have to be long for sure.
Like to the knee?
No, just kind of like a crew. So there's definitely the long socks. You cannot wear no-show socks. No-show socks are a no-no. They do not like them. They think they're ridiculous, which I think is ridiculous.
Yeah, because they don't stay.
Exactly.
They go underneath.
And have you ever heard of when a kid gets a blemish, a pupil, a zit?
Right.
They put these little stickers on them.
Oh,
they're
really?
They're zit stickers. Yeah, like a little. Did you know that?
Yes. Zit stickers.
Yes. So they're like,
Man, I needed a lot of those in high school.
You're like, constellation. I see you.
I would have like all over my face.
It's great because it's a way for them to not feel as self-conscious, and then have a cute little star in their face. I think it's adorable. I think it's a brilliant idea. The things people say.
Yeah, what are the words?
Cringy.
Cringeworthy?
So Sigma is a big one. Sigma.
What does that mean?
It's like it's amazing. I think it's like, oh, you're so Sigma.
You're so Sigma.
And then there's, and of course, this stuff that I would never say, but I hear it because you can't say it because you sound ridiculous.
I'm going to go ahead and diffuse your hair, and I'm going to use the TAMEFRIZZ Smoothing Lotion. It's going to help just give a smoother finish to the hair. I'm just taking the comb and just kind of twisting through, just clumping the hair together. Okay, so Nami, I used a little bit of the round brush up here just because your hair has a little bit fuzzier texture up here. This is the TAMEFRIZZ oil. I'm going to use about 4 or 5 pumps of it, and this is going to give just a little bit of separation and shine for the hair. I'm going to work this across the top, and I'm actually going to pull through your curls just a little bit and then reactivate them. I hope you enjoyed my conversation with Nami today. And for more content like this and other fabulous conversations, go to the KMS Pro YouTube channel.